Just when we thought we had seen everything about the Insta360 X6, a major leak has surfaced, and this is easily the most convincing one yet. We aren't looking at blurry prototype photos or certification documents anymore. What appears to be the official retail packaging has leaked online, revealing the camera, accessories, key features, battery life, and pricing. But after looking through everything, I honestly don't think 8K at 50 frames per second is the biggest story here. Instead, Insta360 appears to have spent the last year fixing the biggest user complaints from the X5. Let's break down everything that leaked and find out whether these upgrades are actually worth getting excited about. The first detail that caught my attention was a single number on the side of the box: 140 minutes of 8K per 30 frames per second recording. If you've used a 360 camera, you know 8K recording drains batteries fast during long travel shoots, cycling, skiing, or hiking. The Insta360 X5 was officially rated for around 93 minutes at 8K/30. If accurate, the X6 offers nearly 50% longer recording time. Higher frame rates are nice, but not having to stop every hour to swap batteries makes a massive difference in real-world shooting. The original modular lens system on the X5 was a game-changer, letting users swap scratch lenses instead of buying a whole new camera. Now, Replaceable Lenses 2.0 suggests further refinements, likely easier installation, better dust/water sealing, and stronger durability. Every 360 camera struggles in low light, suffering from heavy noise and soft details. If the new Pure Video mode genuinely improves low-light performance without destroying fine details through aggressive noise reduction, it will have a far greater everyday impact than a resolution bump. Side-by-side comparison photos show the X6 is noticeably shorter than the X5 while retaining large dual lenses. While not dramatically thinner, reducing height makes it easier to pocket, hold, and carry. When placed next to a GoPro-style 360 camera, it highlights how compact the category has become. The headline-grabbing spec is 8K at 50 frames per second. Confirmed across multiple leaks, this is a massive win for action sports, motorsports, and fast movement, giving creators smoother motion and greater slow-motion editing flexibility. However, for everyday travel, battery life and low-light upgrades still take the crown. The Essentials Bundle. The leak box details a robust bundle, including an extra extreme battery, invisible selfie stick, charging case, lens cap, protective pouch, USB-C cable, cleaning cloth, and an extended warranty. Leaks suggest a starting price of around €689 for the standard X6, with the Essentials bundle landing around €789, representing roughly a €100 increase over the X5. This increase is easier to swallow if the improved battery, thermals, low-light performance, and lens system deliver. The real game changer, DJI enters the race. For years, Insta360 dominated consumer 360 cameras, but DJI has officially entered the space with the Osmo 360. For the first time, Insta360 faces direct competition from a titan in imaging tech. Insta360 isn't just chasing spec sheets with the X6. They're refining the overall user experience based on real feedback. If these leaks hold true, the X6 looks like a mature, heavily polished device. But with DJI now in the 360 camera race, competition has never been fiercer. What do you think? Are these improvements enough to make you upgrade from the X5? Or are you waiting to see how DJI responds? Let me know in the comments below. Hit like and subscribe for more leaks as we get closer to launch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.